Welcome to Photoshop Art. I'm gonna show you how to remove acne from a face using latest version of Photoshop. Copy the image. Go to Filter, Neural Filters. Enable Skin Smoothing. If your image has multiple faces, you can select one here. Move blur to the left and smoothness to right. For output, select New Layer and click OK. Select both layers by holding Shift and convert to Smart Object. Repeat the previous step. Select the first two layers and group them with Ctrl-G. Make a new layer. Take the Spot Healing Brush tool. Check Sample All Layers and turn on Content Aware. Remove the remaining acne. If there is redness on the face, make a new layer and fill it with a lighter skin color. Take a sample and click Alt-Delete. Add a layer mask and press Ctrl-I to invert. Change blend mode to lighter color. Change flow to 1 and slowly paint over red areas with white color. We removed the acne without blurring the face. This is Photoshop Art. Thanks for watching.